Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zhang. So in this YouTube video guys, I'm going to be talking about these 6 things that are lowering your testosterone level. So make sure you guys hit that like button and that subscribe button. And with that said, let's get right into the video. Number 1 on the list guys is aging. As you grow older, your testosterone level decreases. That's just life, so the older you get, your testosterone level decreases. But besides growing older, or besides aging, another reason why your testosterone level decreases is because of stress. Once you guys are stressing, it's gonna decrease your testosterone level, such as whether you're dealing with something emotionally or dealing with an injury and it's just stressing you out, it's gonna drop your testosterone level. So besides aging, number 1 on the list is stressing. Alright guys, number 2 on the list is being obese or being overweight. So guys, if you're overweight, it's gonna affect your testosterone level. It's gonna decrease your testosterone level. So try not to be overweight guys. If you're overweight, it's gonna affect your hormone production and your hormone response time. So try not to be overweight guys. There's a scale that the doctors use to measure if you're overweight. It measures your height to your body mass, so make sure you're at the right body weight or the body mass for your exact height. Guys, as you guys can see on the screen here, we have a chart to show the exact weight that you guys are supposed to be at. Just check it out, just pause the video right there and just see which body weight you guys should be at. You have a section for the female and you also have a section for the male. So just pause the video right there and check out what exact body weight you guys are supposed to be at for your required height. You can tell whether you're overweight or whether you're not, whether you're underweight or so just check out it and just pause the video right there to see the exact body weight you guys are supposed to be at for your height. Alright guys, so different charts show different weight you guys are supposed to be at. Just aim for a weight that you guys are comfortable at, or just simply ask your doctor. Number 3 is guys, is some medication may actually lower your testosterone level. You just gotta check with your doctor or your pharmacist to see if the medications that you are on actually lowers your testosterone level. Some medications like hair loss medication may actually lower your testosterone level based on research. So the best thing to do guys, if you're experiencing hair loss, is just to check with your doctors guys. See if the medication that you're on is gonna reduce your testosterone level, and if so, just ask them what can you do to prevent this, or if there is any solution. Or just simply ask your pharmacist or anybody that you guys seek for professional help in the medical field. Just ask them and they'll tell you what to do guys. Number 4 guys on the list, we have lack of sleep. So if you guys are not getting that extra amount of sleep, or the 8 hours of sleep guys, it's gonna reduce your testosterone level. So if you're up all night on your phone or on your laptop or watching TV or movies or just browsing through social media, you're not getting the required amount of sleep, it's gonna reduce your testosterone level. So the best thing to do guys, set a time when you guys are gonna sleep and set a time when you guys are gonna wake up. Try to get that 8 hours of sleep, the amount of rest that your body can function properly at. Some persons require the 8, some persons don't require the 8. You guys know what your body requires, so just work with that. Set a time for you guys to sleep and set a time for you guys to wake up, and just try balance that and try to get some rest so your body can function properly. If you guys are not getting the rest, your body is not going to function properly. Everybody knows when you're sleeping, your body repairs itself. You get that energy that you guys are looking for to carry through the next day. So when you sleep guys, your body heals, your body fix what needs to be fixed. Everything is just working properly when you sleep. So make sure you guys get that right amount of sleep guys. It's gonna be very important to get your testosterone level back up. It's gonna be very important to get you through the next day, and it's gonna be very important just to function properly so your body can function properly at its best. Number 5 on the list guys is inactivity. So if you're not working out, if you're not exercising, your body is gonna decrease in its testosterone level guys. So if you're just laying around, if you're not working out, if you're not trying to stay fit, your body is gonna reduce its testosterone level. So inactivity, guys, is number 5 on the list. So you guys need to get some activity. You guys need to go for a walk. You guys need to go for a jog. It's gonna get your testosterone level back up. So make sure you guys are working on and exercising. If you guys are not doing anything, it's gonna reduce your testosterone level. Guys, try to get in some activity, whether it's a light jog, whether it's a light wall, to see if you guys can get in some activity, or just jogging on the spot, or doing some home workouts. That's the best way to get your testosterone level back up in time periods like this. Alright guys, number 6 up on the list is long distance running. Based on some study which have been done, guys, it's proven that long distance running over extended period of time lowers your testosterone level, because your body goes under tension, your body goes under pressure while running the long distance. You're overworking your body, therefore it releases your cortisol hormone, that causes you to stress. As I said before, when you're stressing, guys, it's gonna reduce your testosterone level. So that's based on a study which have been done, that long distance running over a period of time lowers your testosterone level, because some marathon runners go under extreme condition, the pace, the distance. Some persons can manage it, some persons can't manage it, and it causes them to stress. So it lowers their testosterone level over a period of time. So that's why you see some sprinters are very big compared to the long distance runner. The sprinters are more stronger, bigger, have more muscle size. So basically, guys, I wouldn't say don't do long distance running. Just know what your body can handle. I was a long distance runner back in high school. So just know what your body can handle. Know if you can manage the pace. Know that if you can manage to go the distance. Know that if you can put your body under those types of condition. So if you can't manage it, guys, don't do it. Don't stress out yourself over it. Enough persons do it and they completely don't have any form of shape. They're not fit. They just stressing out themselves. It's too much for them. But know your body, know your limits, and if you can manage it, then do it. If you can't, don't do it, because it's gonna cause you to stress and it's gonna lower your testosterone level. Alright guys, here's some ways to increase your testosterone level by exercising and lifting weights. When you exercise and lifting weights, guys, you're gonna increase your testosterone level, especially if you're lifting weights, guys, because your body is gonna adapt to that form of pressure to lifting those weights, and it's gonna increase your testosterone level. So work out and exercise, and it's gonna increase your testosterone level, guys. This, guys, we have eating protein. Once you guys eat protein and eating your healthy fats like your avocados / pears and your carbs, is gonna increase your testosterone level. So it all comes back to dieting. Make sure you guys are eating your protein and your healthy fats and your carbs, to get your testosterone level back up. So eat those things, guys, to get your testosterone level back up. Next up on the list, guys, is vitamin D. You can get this from the sun, or if you guys want, you can get it from any form of supplement store. But I suggest get it from the old fashioned way, from the sun. But guys, just can work out in the sun. Can go for early morning jog, whatever it is. Just make sure you guys are getting some vitamin D. It increase your testosterone level. So make sure you guys are getting in the vitamin D, work it out in the sun, jogging, or whatever you guys feel to do. Next on the list, guys, we got a multivitamin. You can take supplements or anything that contains vitamins that can help you guys to increase your testosterone level. So you guys can take a multivitamin or supplements in case you guys want to get your testosterone level back up. Last method on the list, guys, to increase your testosterone level is the old-fashioned sleep. So make sure you guys are getting the right amount of sleep. Set a time frame when to go to bed and when to wake up. Schedule your sleep, guys. Schedule it properly. Make sure you guys are getting the required amount of sleep to get your testosterone level back up. Alright guys, you made it to the end of the video. Make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright.